Hey guys, Adam here with White Duck Outdoors, and today we're going to be checking out our Filios Duffel Bag. The Filios comes up to 6 sizes total. Some sizes go up to 3 colors, and others go up to 6 colors. There are multiple ways you can use this bag. I personally like using it as a weekender or overnight bag, but we've had several customers that have used it as a utility bag or just for general storage as well. Now, one question we get a lot is whether you can bring these bags on a plane as a carry-on. Our smallest bag you can, but one size up the standard size, I would check to make sure that your airlines allow it, as some do and some don't. We use a 12-ounce double fill cotton canvas fabric. So it's extremely heavy duty and durable if you want to use it indoors, but you could also take it outdoors in rugged conditions as well. The canvas has a light water repellent finish built into the fibers. So if you bring it outside and there's a light drizzle, that's completely fine, it's not going to seep through, but we don't recommend leaving it out in heavy rain. Depending on how you want to carry the bag, we put multiple handles in. There'll be a handle on both sides that you can carry. There's also 2 handles on the top, which you'll notice there is a Velcro strap, so you can connect them. And then there's a larger strap with an adjustable padded sleeve for when you sling it over your shoulder. When finally going to unzip your bag, there'll be a few details that stand out. The first being a heavy-duty military-grade nylon zipper and metal puller. This means it'll be durable in even the most rugged conditions. There are also reinforced seams around the zipper and the edges. We also double stitch and reinforce all the high stress points in this bag, so even if you have heavier items inside, they're going to be safe and secure. Thank you guys for checking out the Filios Duffel Bag with me. Make sure to like and subscribe, and check out everything else we have to offer on whiteduckoutdoors.com.